वंदे गुरुनीश भक्तनीश मीशावतारकं तत्प्रकाशंसितच्छति कृष्ण चैतन्य संज्ञकम् नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवैभव पुरी गोस्वामिति नामिने गौरवाणी प्रचाराय दृढ़संकल्पमूर्तये कृष्ण शक्ति स्वरूपाय श्री भक्तिपदायिने नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती नामिने जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुना श्रीजीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुना श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो। राधा पद्मनना पद्म पद्मभूषभुजिता पद्मे विवेचिता राधा राधैवाराध्यते मया अनर्पितचरिं चिरात् करुणया अवतीर्ण खलु समर्पयितुम् उन्नतो जलरसं स्वभक्तिस्यं हरिपुरटसुन्दरतिथिकन्दर्पसन्दीपितो सदा हृदये कन्दरे स्फुरतु वसचिनन्दन कनकमुकुटचूडौ पुष्पितौ भूषिताङ्गौ सकलवननिविष्टौ सुन्दरानन्दपुञ्जौ चरणकमलदिव्यो देवदेवादिसेव्यो भज भजतो मनरे राधिका कृष्णचन्द्र कृष्णलीला भागवते कहे वेद व्यास चैतन्य व्यास वृंदावन दास कहले चैतन्य मंगल जार श्रवण नासी सर्वमंगल। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I am offering my innumerable obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master, His Divine Grace, on Vishnu Padma Bhakti Puri Sai Maharaj. I am also offering my innumerable obeisance lotus feet of Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada. I am offering my obeisance innumerable obeisance unto lotus feet of all the Siksha Gurus. Also, I am offering my obeisance unto the lotus feet of all God brothers, God sisters, and listeners. We were discussing the nectarian, confidential nectarian Gaur Katha, Bahari Katha, since long days, few days, not long days. Clearly, yeah? Okay. When the Mahaprabhu and students, they were decided to do Hari Kirtan day and night only. All were happy. Then the students they were reciting the Hari name, doing Kirtan. How to do Kirtan Mahaprabhu before taught them with clapping with hands. First time maybe there is no more than no Kirtan, only with clapping with hands Mahaprabhu taught them. In the middle of the Mahaprabhu was dancing, surrounding all the students, they were happily, they were also falling in ecstasy. They felt in ecstasy. The Mahaprabhu, the tears fountains comes out to Mahaprabhu's eyes, and students were also crying. Students were also crying. This type of situation, all were crying and shouted them. आवेशे हईल प्रभु निज नाम रसे, गड़ा गड़ी जाय प्रभु धुलाय आवेशे. Awesh hilo Prabhu, the absorbed in the Krishna name, Krishna Prem. The Mahaprabhu, Nija Nama Rasa, when he sings his own name, he himself tastes his own nectar. Then what happened? Dhulaya Gada Gadi Jaya, Mahaprabhu then, he rolled in the dust of the Nadia, bank of the river Ganga, Nagar. Here's the one point Prabhupada mentioned here. Krishna, the holy name of the Krishna, and Krishna himself are not different. Mahaprabhu, Gaur Sundar, and Krishna, both are non-different. Name and name and form are non-different. Nama Nami Abhinyatam. So when Gaur Sundar is really Krishna, he is non-different of Krishna. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu sings his own name, he felt in ecstasy, and he really tasted the real nectar. So, Aveshe Hoila Prabhu Nija Namaras. Avesh means observed in Krishna name. And he didn't know what he is doing. He rolled in the dust of the Nadia Nagar. This is the virtue of the holy name. All type of devotional symptom showed in the Mahaprabhu's transcendental body. All were astonished and but the students were enjoying this. They got opportunity to direct contact with Mahaprabhu. And the Mahaprabhu himself instructed them and ordered, you go to take shelter the lotus feet of the Krishna, and you must listen the word, sound, vibration, only Krishna. So Mahaprabhu inspiring. So why not they became in this condition, in this stage? So they were also in full of, completely felt in the ecstasy. Then all forget what they are doing. Then Mahaprabhu shouted, chant, chant. He shouted, he was crying and shouted, chant, chant. Bol, 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 Prabhu, bol, bol. You chant Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then the Mahaprabhu inspired, and students were also chanting loudly. Mahaprabhu was also dancing fearlessly. And even also that what they were doing, they don't know really. But the sound, what happened? The sound vibration, vibrating sound. All the Vaishnavas, those who lives nearby the Mahaprabhu's house, they came that place when the Mahaprabhu's house. And all the citizens of Navadip citizens, more people came, and they see that unimaginable the situation. Vaishnavas are knowing what is the devotion. But first time they wondered, they struck, they, after seeing this Mahapuru's ecstasy mood and the devotional symptoms, they struck with wonder. And they surprised, they astonished how it can be how it could be possible. And they each other discussed, Emono Dulho Pramo Achay Jagate. Such a rare devotion is possible in the world. They were discussing each other. Emono Dulho Pramo Achay Jagate Nayana Sapal Hailo Esabu Dekhite. Our purpose of our eyes is fulfilled. We never thought about this also. Because first time, before they saw Mahaprabhu as a Nimai Pandit, they were discussing each other. What we are seeing, the same person, the Nimai Pandit. Now you can't believe, we are looking face to face, directly, but it is not dream. Huh? But how it can be possible? We know he is the limit of, how to say, unlimited, arrogant. The Mahaprabhu was in the Nimai Pandit, the scholastic pastimes, in the scholastic pastimes, all were seeing how the Mahaprabhu was walking, how is the daring. Huh? Everyone afraid up to stands before the Mahaprabhu because he called and put question and he tried to repeat it all. So the Vaishnavas are noted how he is arrogant, unlimited arrogant. How an arrogant person attain this unimaginable devotion, which is not thinkable, really, it is incredible. What's the will of the Krishna? Then they asked, surprising, what the Krishna is, what he is willing, and in future what will be the Nimai Pandit, if he shows this. Because they are in suspect now. Before they have seen the Mahaprabhu, as Nimai form, in Pandit form. Now they are looking, they are seeing directly the love of the God which manifests in the Mahaprabhu's transcendental body. And they are discussing, we never seen such type of love of the God, even also in the Narad form. But they were enjoying. And they were happy. Kirtan Arambhaila Nadiya Nagare. They shouted, now the time has been. The Kirtan has been introduced and inaugurated and began in the Nadiya Nagar. We were awaiting, anxiously awaiting for this. Now our Supreme Lord may be too much pleased. He arranged this platform. And all were enjoying. Mahaprabhu was dancing and crying. Students, they were also reciting loudly. And assembled all the Vaishnavas, those were coming recently now, before, and all citizens, the atmosphere became the divine, transcendental. Every atom and proton of the atmosphere became transcendental, because all were reciting holy name. Knowingly, unknowingly, the voice, the holy name comes from the all, lotus mouth of all. Then what happened after a while? Mahaprabhu dancing and dancing, then Mahaprabhu fell down, really. Again and again Mahaprabhu fell down. Again, achada, he speaks like a tree. If you cut a tree, how the tree, in cyclone you see, similarly Mahaprabhu also, not once, again and again, repeatedly, Mahaprabhu was falling down. And the Brunanda could written here, when the Mahaprabhu falls, because of Mahaprabhu falls, the earth was cracked. The earth cracked. Cracked. Vidinna haya Prithvi. Prithvi vidinna illa achade. The word is Prithvi vidinna. Prithvi, the earth vidinna means cracked. The means some hole. The line, cracking. Okay. How the Mahaprabhu? Because Mahaprabhu again and again the same. What they are, he was falling. The earth was cracking. Then what about speak the Mahaprabhu's transcendental body? How the painful things. But in full of ecstasy, he doesn't know. He didn't know what is happening here. But those are ideas. Those who were seeing this, they didn't control. They lost their patience because of Mahaprabhu's really divine transcendental form. Very sweetness body, very beautiness body. If once someone look, someone see without knowing his virtue and everything, but his beautiness is more attractive. So all were, they lost their patience, and most of them, they tried to control the Mahaprabhu. After the Vaishnavas requesting, Mahaprabhu regaining his unconsciousness. But he didn't stop his reciting holy name. After getting consciousness also he was starting the holy name only. Because it's the symptom of the Mahaprabhu. Always it is Ahanisi Chinta Krishna Balaha Bodhane. Ahanisi Chinta Krishna. Also he himself performed this and he stuck to the society, his followers. You should also recite holy name always. Once the story when the Swami Maharaj, Prabhupada, maybe in West somewhere organized one program. Some devotees, they organized the program. And the Prabhupada, he would have to speak there. Already the stage, the audience already gathered, and the Prabhupada was also sitting. Mic also connected, everything connection. Just now the time was to start, but the sound section, some disturb happened. Those are sound connector, the operator. He says, where the vibration is coming? Everyone is silent, but some sound is coming. He searched everywhere. He said that even machine and the computer, everything okay. But he is surprised. Where the sound is coming from? Then he went rushed to because the big program, he rushed to the chief of the sound sections. Then the chief, the engineer, at last he came. And he looked at everything. When the mouth, one cord is connected, and he, from the beginning, he touched the cord and is testing. From the machine to he came to the Prabhupada stage. And he heard Prabhupada was reciting holy name. Then he shouted, Prabhupada, you are disturbing. You are disturbing. Your program, you are disturbing. Prabhupada told, I am not disturbing. No, you are, because he doesn't know what is the Prabhupada. That time Prabhupada was chanting, reciting. Now he has to be preached. But before preaching, he didn't want to lose his time. Also this mic switch on. And the sound, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. But that fellow is telling, Prabhupada, you are disturbing. Oh Swamiji, your program, you are disturbing. Then Prabhupada speaks, I am not disturbing. This is my holy name. Now you stop this. Now I can't stop this. Then everyone knows this. This is happening. That means the real devotee, like our Guru Maharaj also, always they will recite, they are doing this, only reciting the holy name. So Mahaprabhu, after regaining his consciousness, unconsciousness, he was not stopping his disciple chanting the holy name. He only speaks only Hare Krishna mantra, no other external word, no other mantra speaks also. What happened? Then Mahaprabhu at last finally what happened? All were sitting before the Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, after regaining his consciousness, but he was reciting the holy name only, not speak a single mundane word, other word. And at last, finally, what happened? He holding the all necks of the Vaishnavas, and that time was crying. And he was crying and holding the necks of the Vaishnavas. All Vaishnavas were surprised after seeing this. And at last they Vaishnavas were pacified Mahaprabhu. Then they left this place. Then what happened? Mahaprabhu with some students already anyhow they passed this time, crossed this time, but all the neighbors and the Vaishnavas they left after pacifying Mahaprabhu. But the Vaishnavas, they were not sleeping nightly, full night. They were waiting when the suns rise to meet each other, to spread out this, to disclose this. Because before, for which they have waited so long time, now already they attained this platform. Then the next morning they rushed to the Advaita Acharya Thakur. They ran to the Rasa, because Advaita Acharya Thakur, the most genius and senior most highly exalted personality, all the Vaishnavas in those time they were respected to Advaita Acharya Thakur. They rushed to Advaita Acharya Thakur and explained everything what they had seen in the last day. With surprising, they were elaborating everything. After listening everything, Advaita Thakur smiled because he knows everything. He knew everything. Bhakti Joge Mahaprabhu, Bhakti Joge Advaita Acharya Mahabolo. Avatari ache Prabhu jani na sakala. Bhakti Joge Advaita Acharya Thakur Mahabolo. That means by the influence of the devotion, he was really strong. He knows everything. The general common people may not imagine about his virtue, attributes, everything. So he knows. Avatari ache Prabhu janila sakala. He knows everything. Now the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now the Golok Bihari already descendant here. Descendant. Okay. Already he came this planet. Avatari ache Prabhu. He thinks that time others told my master, whom I worshipped before, for this purpose only, at last he heard my voice. He accepted my request and my praying. Already he came down here. Now the time has come. He has manifested his own form. He surprised. He too much ecstasy. He also feels so many cheerful happiness. And the Vrindavan Thakur written here, Advaita Thakur is the supreme prime limb of the Mahavishnu, the Mahaprabhu. Also another prime limb, the Nityananda Prabhu. But it's the Mahavishnu, combination of the Mahavishnu and the Lord Shankar. So Advaita Acharya means he is the Mahavishnu. Though he is the Mahavishnu, he has manifested, he has created so the universe, everything. So now he came this planet to establish the pure devotion only, because he is the real creator. He is the real creator who created this planet. He also tried to establish this devotion by which all the fallen soul easily be free from this mundane, entangled by conception, and all by which all the living being become free, liberated. So what now we are getting the holy name easily. We are sitting throughout the world, every corner to corner. We are tasting the nectar. We are reading Chaitanya Bhagavat and chanting holy name, offering prasad and worshipping everything. Advaita Thakur's mercy, really. If he would not have worshipped the Mahaprabhu. If Mahaprabhu was not coming this planet, descended this, then what happened? No one. Gaur na hai to Radhara Prema. Who knows the Radha Prema? What is the love of the Radharani, and what is the conjugal rasa which the Krishna has enjoyed in the. So whatever we are getting opportunity, we are getting because of Advaita Thakur. He is the real Acharya, Adi Guru. Vancha kalpadru sukha sindhu patitan pavan Vaishnava. What I say, I don't know. Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Radhe Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Sri Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Radhe Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Radhe Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Sri Radhe Shama Radhe Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Sri Radhe Kishori Radhe Sri Radhe Radhe Shama Radhe Jai Ho Radhe 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 Sri Radhe 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 श्री राधे राधे राधे, श्री राधे राधे राधे, श्री राधे राधे राधे, ओ राधे राधे राधे, श्यामा प्यारी राधे, राधे राधे राधे, किशोरी राधे, राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे राधे, श्री राधे राधे राधे, लाडली राधे, ओ राधे राधे राधे, स्वामिनी राधे, राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे राधे, श्री राधे राधे राधे, श्यामा प्यारी राधे, ओ बरसाने वाली लाडली राधे, ओ बरसाने वाली लाडली राधे, स्वामिनी राधे, समाज राधे, किशोरी राधे, राधे राधे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हे श्यामा जय निता जय गो, जय निता जय गो। जय गदा जय गो, जय गदा जय गो। जय राधे जय कृष्णा, जय राधे जय कृष्णा। जय जय गुरुदेव श्रील गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव श्रील गुरुदेव। जय प्रभुपाद श्रील प्रभुपाद, जय प्रभुपाद श्रील प्रभुपाद। नित्य गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गांधीरिका गिरधरी राधा कुंज बेरी सरकार की जय। हो राधा माधव राधा मदन मोहन जी की जय। वृंदावन चंद्र सरकार की जय। जय वृंदावन दास ठाकुर महाराज जी चैतन्य भागवत अध्याय पारायण की जय। जय विष्णुपाद गुरुदेव पतित पावन परमहंस आचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतशील भक्ति वैभव प्रिय से महाराज की जय। जगत गुरु श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती सिंह प्रभुपाद की जय। कृपानुग सज्जन भक्त बंदे आचार्य भज्जू जी गुरु परंपरा जी गुरु वर्ग की जय। गौड़िया सरस्वती भक्त अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंदे की जय। धामवासी ब्रजवासी क्षेत्रवासी भक्त वृंदे की जय। All glories to Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. All glories to his disciples ki jai. All glories to our God brother, God sisters ki jai. All glories to all listeners ki jai. Panchakalpatarusha Prabhupada Prayatana Vaishnava. Jai Gaur Premanande Hari Bol.